This is why your Wyze doorbell chime might not be working, and what you can do about it. Don't worry, the fix is easier than you think. First, let's check the basics. Is your Wyze doorbell getting power? Make sure the wires are snug and your breaker hasn't tripped. Still nothing? Open the Wyze app and make sure your doorbell is connected to Wi-Fi. If not, try restarting your router or doorbell. Next, check your Chime settings in the app. Tap your doorbell, go to Settings, then Accessories, and choose Chime. Make sure the chime is enabled. Sometimes it gets turned off by accident. If you're using a mechanical chime, double-check the wiring and that you installed the Wyze chime connector. No connector, no chime. For wireless chimes, move them closer to your doorbell to make sure they're in range. Still no luck? Try removing and re-adding the chime in your Wyze app. Sometimes, a quick reset is all it takes. If all else fails, check for updates in the app and install the latest firmware. Updates can squash bugs. And there you go. One of these steps should do the trick. Now your Wyze doorbell chime is back in business.